focus to another big story, because even as we're talking about the battle for Bihar, which is reaching its last leg, top leaders are hitting the state for that one last appeal to the electors. JDU has been hit by an arrest of their leader from Mokama constituency. This is Anand Singh, who I'm speaking of, who's been sent to a 14-day judicial custody after he was arrested by the Patna police, along with 2 office co-workers in the murder case of Jan Swaraj Party leader Dular Chand Yadav. Now, Yadav was allegedly shot dead, and after that, the arrests have been made.
पोस्टमार्टम में यह स्पष्ट रूप से व्यक्त किया गया है कि पैर में जो गोली के प्रवेश जख्म और निकास जख्म है वो फायरआर्म से हैं, लेकिन उसके कारण मृत्यु नहीं हो सकती है। लंग्स और हार्ट का जो एरिया है वहां पर कंप्रेशन है और कॉज ऑफ डेथ लिखा गया है कि कार्डियो रेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर। जो पोस्टमार्टम निर्गत हुआ है उससे यह पता चला कि हार्ड एंड ब्लंट सब्सटेंस कोई हेवी इनके ऊपर से क्रॉस किया। यह संभव है कि वाहन के द्वारा इन पर वाहन चढ़ा दिया गया है, वाहन चढ़ा है। अब वो इंटेंशनल है या भागने के क्रम में एक्सीडेंटल है, ये सब अनुसंधान का विषय है।
Okay, my colleague Arunil is on the phone line with us. Arunil, Battle of Bihar obviously heating up. It's reaching its last leg. We'll be seeing multiple rallies today. But looks like the state is hit by a massive controversy. JDU leader who's been arrested in Mokama, Anand Singh, sent to 14-day judicial custody. That led to a war of words, isn't it, of sorts between the Mahagathbandhan and the NDA over, quote-unquote, the real Jungle Raj.
Well, that is right. Basically, Anand Singh, the candidate from JDU, that is Nitish Kumar's party, being sent to 14 days of judicial custody. Now, what with Mr. Vinay Kumar, the Bihar DGP, said is also very significant. He said that the cause of death may not be because of the bullet injuries, because the bullet hit Dular Chand Yadav's leg. There is a compression on the lungs and chest, and that may have led to a cardiac failure. Now, whether the vehicle's impact led to this, was it intentional, did it happen accidentally? Everything has been investigated now, as the CID team has been formed to investigate and probe the entire case. Videographic evidence are also being checked in. Now, what kind of political repercussions this has? PM Modi or the NDA leaders repeatedly have been reminding the people of Bihar about the alleged Jungle Raj that was there 20 years ago. That was Lalu Prasad Yadav's regime, which is the father of Tejasvi Yadav. Now, this incident, has it blurred the lines between that Jungle Raj as well as the Sushasana that Bihar CM Nitish Kumar has been speaking about, that he has improved the state, there is law and order now? This murder case basically puts the spotlight again on the violence that engulfs the state of Bihar.
All right, Arunil, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Viewers, let's also talk about the opposition Mahagathbandhan, which has been quick to ask something which Arunil was also referring to, the NDA, what the real Jungle Raj really is, quote-unquote. Now, RJD's Tejasvi Yadav has gotten an opportunity. He's been attacked multiple times by NDA over carrying the legacy of Jungle Raj. He's not going to let go of this particular opportunity. He's using it to attack the Nitish Kumar-led NDA government of what he calls Maha Jungle Raj in the state. The NDA also pointing to prompt action which has already been taken by the state police, even if it is a JDU leader, a JDU candidate, calling the NDA an impartial administrator when it comes to the issues of law and order. Listening to the war of words.
लगातार जो है महाजंगल राज की स्थिति बिहार में बनी हुई है। कोई ऐसा दिन नहीं बिहार में जहां गोलियां ना चल रही। ये प्रधानमंत्री जी को नहीं दिखता है कि हम लोगों की सरकार जो है बनने जा रही है, महागठबंधन की सरकार बनने जा रही है। 14 तारीख को रिजल्ट आने वाला है, 18 तारीख को शपथ होगा और 26 नवंबर और 26 जनवरी के बीच में चाहे कोई जात के, कोई धर्म के, कोई भी अपराधी हो, बीच में खरवास आता है। इस खरवास में सभी अपराधियों को तेजस्वी जेल भेजने का काम करेगा।
इसके बाद सरकार अपनी फज्जत से बचने के लिए ये खाना पूर्ति की गई है गिरफ्तारी। गोलियों की तड़तड़ाहट से दहल उठा है पूरा बिहार, चाहे सिवान में एसआई की हत्या हो, आरा में 2 लोगों की हत्या हो, रोहतास में हो, मोकामा में हो। ये गुंडा राज है अब आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को जंगल राज का कैसेट जो जनता का राज गरीबों का राज था कहते हैं, अब ये गुंडा राज पर बोलना चाहिए। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का आज रोड शो था, तो ये सिर्फ दिखावे के लिए खाना पूर्ति की गई है। आखिर इतना विलंब क्यों हुआ?
देखिए, गिरफ्तार तो होना ही है। जो जिस तरीके का छवि है और जिसके ऊपर आपराधिक मामले और क्रिमिनल जैसे केस मामले दर्ज हैं, तो गिरफ्तार होगा ही आदमी।
We are now in the final leg of the campaigning for the first phase of crucial Bihar elections. With me is Chirag Paswan, one of the star players from Bihar polls. Thank you for exclusively speaking to Times Now. You've been campaigning extensively. Today PM Modi will also be holding a road show. What are your expectations and predictions?
Well, expectations are really high because we have worked really hard, and the way we have shaped up this alliance, I honestly believe that it is a winning combination, all five of us together. And what strengthens my belief is that last time in 2020, there was a divided NDA wherein I was contesting separately. Upendra Kushwaha ji was contesting separately. So it was a divided NDA and a very united Mahagathbandhan. Still they didn't manage to form the government, though with a very thin margin, but at least we could manage to form the government in 2020 also. But this time it's a complete opposite scene, where there is a extremely united NDA and there's a
20
divided.
years of anti-incumbency against Nitish ji, will that work?
I don't see that anywhere on ground, because I have been going everywhere. I've been campaigning, and not only campaigning during the election, but before also. I've been interacting with the people of my state for past couple of months, and I have not seen even iota % of anti-incumbency against the current chief minister. So all this collectively strengthens my belief that this time we'll be performing all-time high.
There are